In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Marketplace on Facebook account. Enable Facebook Marketplace feature 2020. To get started, the first thing you should do is make sure your Facebook app is fully updated. Open the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone, search for Facebook, and install the latest version if an update is available. This is important because older app versions may not show newer features correctly, including Marketplace. Once that's done, open Facebook and sign in to the account you want to use for Marketplace. After logging in, look for the Marketplace icon, which usually appears as a small storefront symbol. You might see it right on the home screen or inside the menu section. If the icon is already there, simply tap it and you can start using Marketplace right away. If you don't see it, the next thing to check is whether your account is eligible. Facebook Marketplace is not available to every account automatically. For example, access may be unavailable if your account is brand new, if you don't meet the minimum age requirement in your region, if Marketplace isn't supported in your country, or if your access has been restricted because of policy issues. You should also make sure your Facebook profile is complete. Add your profile photo, your name, and your basic account details. A complete and authentic looking profile helps improve account credibility, which can make a difference when Facebook determines access to certain features. If Facebook asks you to verify your account, go ahead and complete that process. This could involve confirming your identity or verifying your contact information. Verification helps secure the account and may help unlock available features. Another important step is enabling location access. Marketplace depends on location to show listings near you. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, Facebook Permissions, and Location. On iPhone, go to Settings, Facebook, then Location, and choose the permission setting you prefer. If Marketplace still isn't showing up, log out of Facebook and then sign back in. This can refresh your account and sometimes makes the feature appear. If you're using Android, you can also clear the app cache by going to Settings, Apps, Facebook, Storage, and then tapping Clear Cache. After that, restart the app. If the problem continues, uninstall Facebook, restart your device, reinstall the latest version, and then log back in to check again. And if you previously had Marketplace access but lost it, open the menu, go to Help and Support, then Account Status or Support Inbox, depending on your version of the app. Check whether there are any Marketplace restrictions, and if Facebook gives you the option, submit a review request. Once Marketplace becomes available, tap the Marketplace icon to browse local listings, search for